Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
My thing.
This is actually mine.
No, that's mine.
It is actually for real.
We're supposed to be packing here, guys.
He just doesn't want to give me back my
But can we get along for about 2 minutes, please?
It's mine.
Welcome back, guys. Today is my moving series, episode 1. I got a lot to get done. This is just a small apartment. I can only imagine when I get a house. Right now, I am going to start in my room because my room, as you can see behind me, it's a hot mess. Literally a hot mess. We're going to do it little by little. My mom should be here in a few minutes. She's going to come bring some tape. She's going to bring some more boxes. And we are going to just do little by little until we get everything done. I really don't want to take a lot of stuff. I'm probably just going to get rid of my couch because Jess has ruined that and I just hate like stains. So my kitchen table is nice, but the chairs have ripped, so we're not going to take that. I don't really need to take my microwave because they already have one that's built into the new place. Very, very, very proud of the girls because they have been working on their room like for the last 2 days. Majority of their room is just really like toys and stuff because Mia, I don't know how many LOL dolls we found in there and stuff like that, but they pretty much did good with their room. It's really just my clothes, to be honest with you. So the stuff that I don't really wear every single day, that's the stuff that I'll box up. I actually wanted to sell my bed, so I put it on one of the online apps to sell, and I had so many people interested, but I was like, if I sell my bed before I move, where am I sleeping? I wish you guys could give me a hand because this is not as easy as it looks, y'all. I'm at the point where I'm just like, throw shit out because I do want a new start. I don't want to like bring too much with me. Out with the old and with the new. That's always my motto, and I feel like I'm low-key hoarder. Just with clothes. Like I buy stuff just to buy it and I don't even wear it, so it's just like, why would I bring it with me if it's just gonna be hung up and collecting dust in my closet? So if y'all need some clothes and y'all my frame size, I have a Depop shop, so shop my shop, and I'm gonna also put some stuff on OfferUp as well. Hi, Mom. I was just telling him that you were on your way.
Hi, Simply.
Sandy B's here, so that's a big relief because Mama gonna come in and you know Mama gonna clean and she gonna help me get right because for the most part I'm pretty organized, but when you have a lot to do in a short period of time, it can get overwhelming. So more hands than one is definitely very beneficial. I really want to just get my room tackled together. I have bags of clothes, I have some dirty clothes, and I'm so grateful because our new place has a washer and dryer, so I don't have to worry about my clothes piling up anymore. Mom, I think I gotta go to Walmart and get some tape because I don't have any tape.
I told you gotta get that big roll.
I thought I was gonna be good with the Scotch tape, but I need the thick roll of tape, so I have to probably go to Walmart real quick. How many boxes were you able to get?
She got all of them in the back, saved for us, all different sizes.
So for today, I was just telling them I want to just tackle that wall right there, and then some of my like hair stuff that I'm not using every single day. Then we could just
That's what I said.
we could just box it up. But say hello to them.
I love you guys.
Sandy B came to save the day, y'all, because y'all know she cleans.
Ain't nobody clean like Sandy.
She ain't nobody clean. She got her little spackle stuff. We're gonna spackle up any holes that up in there because you know your girl need her deposit back. We're gonna be just real productive today. Today's a productive vlog, episode 1. Okay, let's see how much we get done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it.
We need music. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, we do.
You drop it like it's hot.
We need some music.
I need music.
I can't work in silence. We
I
definitely
need
need
music.
music. This is such a sad, bittersweet moment for me because Lyric and I did such a beautiful job. But unfortunately, it has to come down. So my babies are going to help me take it down.
Yay.
I don't know if I'm going to rebuild it. Is that a scrunchie? I don't know if I want to redo this again. If
I
not,
want some of them.
yeah, you can have it. If I don't use it, you guys can have it. But it's such a beautiful setup. And I probably won't be able to mimic it again like this anyway. I feel like when you do something like this, it doesn't come out the same way the second time. An angry dog? Do you want a treat? Let me see you wag your tail, doggy. Wag your tail, doggy. Nice doggy.
Come here, Char-Char. Come on, Char boy.
So you go up there with your bad boys. That's your timeout spot. On top of the dresser.
No.
You a good boy or a bad boy? Good?
No.
Good or bad?
Good.
Good?
You put me down. Put me down.
One.
No,
wanna make
pick
it-
me up.
Huh?
Pick me up.
Tomorrow we'll probably do the bathroom. Bathroom super easy.
Me.
Come here. You gonna help me?
I'm in the bathroom.
You gonna help put your toys away? We're moving to a new house. Are you excited?
And we're going to see the pool or the house. And the baby shark going on. I love it.
You want a baby shark room?
In the pool for our house.
Oh. But you gotta help pack up your toys first. You gonna help me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Come on. Intermission break. We got some Chinese food. What we got, Mia?
We got orange chicken. We got broccoli.
And what else we got, Mia?
Rice.
Can't go wrong with some rice.
And we got fortune teller cookies.
Fortune cookies.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. It's me. It's me. You don't have to admit you on the way. It's me. Let me rock you.
Let's just say Spackle is about to be my best friend because the way these walls are set up, y'all. Progress, y'all. It's starting to look real empty in here. I did that wall. Did this wall. Still gotta do up here. But we're getting somewhere. I think the last clip I was eating, and that was the end of that vlog. I have not picked the camera up in about 48 hours. I should be more motivated, but this whole packing series is not, it's not what I expected it to be. But we did get stuff off the walls. So today, if nothing else, we are gonna tackle my clothes. Come on, let me show y'all. Guess we'll start with this. I have clothes everywhere, so I'm just gonna take everything out. And I promise you it's more than it looks. I have so much more, but what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna do this pile right now, and then I'm gonna work my way gradually, because if I try to take everything out, I'm gonna just walk away. So baby steps. It's a bad obsession, like I was telling you guys. I feel like I'm a hoarder, low key. Say all that to say I still have stuff with tags on it. You gonna help me? So I'm just gonna do like a process of elimination. We're not playing here, we got things to do. What I don't want or what I don't feel like I'm gonna wear, I'm just gonna donate it, you know, because why hold on to it?
The moment I see you now up there, bow. Lady, oh, my lady, oh, oh. Whoa. This your body go cause your oh, yeah. Baby, oh, my lady, oh, 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 oh. Because the way that you shake your uku, my baby, you must come. Oh, yeah, make you shake it to your baba. Oh, yeah, rock bottom, make you no go give me your bala. I take you leg, make you give me balance size, scatter your back.
What sound does the letter make? Says hey. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Hey, get sturdy.
You are the one and only one. There will never be another you. You and me alone.
No, Simply's good afternoon. How y'all doing? We get ready to pack it up. So, being that you the queen, this is your stuff.
I'm
This is
not
how we
feeling
do
it.
You gotta pick what you don't want. What you don't want goes to Mia. Mia will then throw it to Lyric. Lyric gonna throw it to me. I'ma disregard it. What you do want, Summer. Summer goes in the summer pile.
Somebody come get her.
Y'all feel me?
Reflection and telling you
mission accomplished, and now we have like 50 more bags, but at least we cleared the bed off. We might have to do this tomorrow, y'all.
No.
They're like, Mom, come on. I'm
No.
like, no.
You can't give up.
I'm tired,
We're not
y'all.
even halfway done.
Everything is off of the shelves. We need more boxes for my clothes, but we got all of that stuff that was on the bed packed up. All my 1,000 sneakers are in here, my perfumes, my hair products, stuff like that. We got a lot done in about 2 hours with the help of my helpers.
Yeah, and I'm tired. I quit.
You're tired? But we do have to go out and get some more boxes. So, to be continued.
Simply Michelle.